Welcome to Guru Nanak College, Sukhchainana Sahib, Phagwara, Central Library. In this short guide, we'll show you an easy and time-saving method to find any book in our library using the college library blog. Step 1. Open any browser on your computer or mobile. Now go to Google and type GNCLIB. Our college library blog will appear in the first search result. Click on it. The link is www.gnclib.blogspot.com. This website is also mentioned on page number 17 of your library identity card. Once the blog opens, you'll see a search form with 4 fields: author, title, accession number, and subject. You only need to fill one field, the one you already know. For example, if you know the title of the book you want is Computer Fundamental, just type Computer Fundamental in the title section. Now scroll down the page. You will see a list of all books related to that title. Each book entry shows you the Almirah number and row number where the book is kept. This way, you can easily find where your required book is stored in the library. The best part? This system is available 24 hours a day. You can check your required books from your classroom, hostel, or even from home. This method saves time, helps you plan better, and supports readers by making books more accessible. It also fulfills the second law of library science given by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, every reader their book. Thank you for listening. We hope this helps you use the Central Library better. Happy reading from Guru Nanak College, Sukhchainana Sahib, Central Library.